Hello students, this is remote learning initiative undertaken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE. Myself Preetham De Silva, your SST teacher, and today we are going to deal with Standard 6th History Chapter 5 Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. Part 3 Taxes. Students, as the rulers of the Mahajanapadas were building huge forts, maintaining big armies, they needed more resources and they needed officials to collect this. So, instead of depending on occasional gifts brought by people, as in the case of the Raja of the Janapadas, they started collecting regular taxes. Students, taxes on crops were the most important. This was because most people were farmers. Usually, the tax was fixed at one-sixth of what was produced. This was known as bhag or a share. There were taxes on craftspersons as well. This could have been in the form of labor. Herders were also expected to pay taxes in the form of animals and animal produce. There were also taxes on goods that were bought and sold through trade. And hunters and gatherers also had to provide forest produce to the Raja. Changes in agriculture. Students, there were two significant changes in agriculture around this time. Growing use of iron plowshares helped in yielding a better grain produce. Heavy, clayey soil could be turned over better with an iron plowshare than with a wooden plowshare. People began transplanting paddy. This meant that instead of scattering seed on the ground from which plants could sprout, saplings were grown and then planted in the fields. Production developed due to this since many plants survived. Slave men, women and landless laborers did this work.